Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to delete tokens on CoolWallet. To delete tokens on CoolWallet, open up the CoolWallet application from your app drawer. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Manage button right next to Crypto, Earn and NFT. From the Manage list, go ahead and swipe right on any token that you want to delete or remove from the list. Tap the little trash icon in order to delete the token. In the pop-up, tap on Delete again to confirm deleting the token from your list. Repeat the step for any other tokens you want to remove from your token list. Right after you do that, the chosen token will be removed from your dashboard. You can also hide or unhide the tokens by tapping on the little eye icon right in front of each tokens. So that way you can temporarily hide or remove the token from your token list. For CoolWallet, deleting a token from your wallet does not affect your ability to access it in the blockchain. It simply removes it from your view in the app. If you want to access it again in the future, you can always re-add it using the steps for adding a token. So that is how you easily delete or remove tokens on CoolWallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks.